Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chae Beloved, and in today's video I'm showing you how to go from this disaster back to blonde, okay? Because sis was not digging that color at all and I had to change her right back. So I'm gonna be showing you the ingredients that I use. Ingredients because I'm cooking. Wow. Okay, but I'm gonna show you the ingredients. Anyways, these are the ingredients that I use: baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and some shampoo, some clarifying shampoo. Then I'm just gonna warm up some water, make sure that's boiling hot. Gonna add that to a bucket, or you could use boiling water from the stove. Either one is fine, it works either way. And I'm just gonna take my baking soda, and I literally use probably like half the box. And when I tell you this process takes forever, I probably did this process like 100 times. I'm not even being dramatic. I'm dead serious. So you're just gonna literally keep on doing this until you're satisfied with the color that you want. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I don't want to talk too much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video.
Purchase your track today.
This was probably my third process doing this, and I was so mad because the dishwashing liquid was literally to its last drop. But you're gonna keep on doing this until you get your desired color, and you're just gonna keep doing this, repeat. But when you're doing this, make sure you do not add a lot of soap and a lot of shampoo, because it will become hard for you to rinse the soap out of the hair. So when you're doing this, just make sure you add a little bit of soap and shampoo at a time, and you'll be good to go. Also, at the end of this whole process, when the color is like completely stripped, make sure you do a good deep condition. You want to deep condition the hair for as long as you can, because it's gonna need it, trust me.
track today.
This is how the hair is looking after dipping it for 1,000 times. I ended up turning the hair into a wig, so you're gonna see how that looks in a second. But tell me this does not look like how regular 613 hair be looking when it come fresh out the pack. But this is the wig. It was about 60% dry, and this is how it looks after deep conditioning it for probably like 30 minutes. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so anytime your girl Chae posts something, you could be notified and see what's popping. Bye, guys.